Want to avoid losing thousands on your next flip or wholesale deal? It all starts with knowing one number, ARV, or after repair value. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to calculate ARV like a pro, using comps, free tools, and the same method top investors use to close profitable deals. ARV stands for after repair value, the estimated market value of a property after all renovations are complete. It's the most important number in real estate investing because it helps you figure out how much to offer, what to budget for repairs, and how much profit you'll make. Let's walk through how to calculate ARV step by step. Step 1. Pull comparable sales. Comps. Look for 3 to 5 recently sold homes within 0.5 to 1 mile. Similar bed, bath count, square footage, and condition. Sold in the past 3 to 6 months. Step 2. Adjust for differences. Adjust for square footage, garage, pool, etc. Example. Comp sold for $190,000. Yours is slightly bigger. Adjust up $5,000. Step 3. Average the adjusted comps. Once you adjust your comps, average them together to get your ARV. That's your target value. ARV helps you calculate your maximum allowable offer using the 70% rule. MAU equals ARV by 70% repair costs. Example, ARV equals $200,000. Repairs equals $40,000. MAU equals $200,000 by 0.7 minus $40 K equals $100,000. If you want to flip or wholesale houses profitably, learning how to calculate ARV is a must. Master it, and you'll never overpay again. Want to speed this up? Get a free trial of Rehab Valuator below and analyze deals in minutes. Grab your free ARV calculator and deal analyzer here. https://learningrealestateinvesting.com/rehab-premium. Like, comment, and subscribe for more real estate tips. Drop a comment. What's your biggest challenge with ARV?